If you are looking for the questions with answers from the chapter, Experiments with Water, from Class 5 EVS, Chapter 7, then this is the right video for you. This video contains all the possible questions, short questions, questions from exercise of the book, along with the proper answers from this chapter. First we will discuss the short questions and the questions from book exercise, then we will discuss some advanced question answers. Let us start. Question. What sinks in water? Answer. An iron nail sinks in water. Question. What floats on water? Answer. An empty plastic bottle floats on water. Question. Does crumpled foil sink or float? Answer. Crumpled aluminium foil sinks in water. Question. Does a flat foil boat float? Answer. A flat aluminium foil boat floats on water. Question. What is the density of water? Answer. In CGS unit, the density of water is 1 gram per cc. In SI unit, the density of water is 1000 kg per cubic meter. Question. Name one soluble substance. Answer. Salt is a soluble substance in water. Question. Name one insoluble substance. Answer. Sand is an insoluble substance in water. Question. Does oil mix with water? Answer. Oil does not mix with water. Question. Does milk dissolve in water? Answer. Milk mixes completely with water and appears to dissolve, forming a uniform mixture. Question. What settles when soil is added to water? Answer. Soil settles at the bottom when added to water. Question. How can we dissolve sugar faster? Answer. We can dissolve sugar faster by stirring or heating water. Question. What is solubility? Answer. Solubility is the amount of solute that can dissolve in a solvent at fixed temperature. Question. Why does an egg float in salty water? Answer. An egg floats in salty water because salty water is denser. Question. What is evaporation? Answer. Evaporation is the process where water turns into vapor. Question. Why does saucer water dry faster? Answer. Saucer water dries faster due to its larger surface area. Question. How is sea salt made? Answer. Sea salt is made when sun evaporates seawater. Question. Why do wet clothes dry in the sun? Answer. Wet clothes dry in the sun because sunlight causes evaporation. Question. Which drop is faster? Water or oil? Answer. The water drop is faster than the oil drop. Question. Why is the water drop faster than the oil drop? Answer. The water drop is faster because water has less viscosity. Question. What is buoyancy? Answer. Buoyancy is the upward force exerted by a fluid. Question. Why do ships float? Answer. Ships float because they displace water equal to their weight. Question. What is the special property of the Dead Sea? Answer. The Dead Sea has very high water density. Question. How does an empty katori compare to a filled katori? Answer. An empty katori floats, but a filled katori sinks. Question. What is the behavior of a puffed puri? Answer. A puffed puri floats in oil but sinks in water. Question. Aisha put a puffed puri in a bowl of water. Would it sink or float? Answer. The puffed puri would sink in water after getting wet. Question. You put a steel plate on water. Would it sink or float? What would happen to a spoon? Answer. If placed carefully on water, the steel plate would float. The spoon would sink. Question. Would the cap of a plastic bottle sink or float on water? Answer. The cap of a plastic bottle would float on water. Question. Have you seen that some things float on water while others sink? Think how this happens. Answer. Some things float if lighter than the water they displace, heavier things sink. Question. Mark tick for things that float, and cross for those that sink. Answer. Soap cake. Sinks alone. Floats on plastic plate. Ice. Floats. Balls or styrofoam. Floats. Nails or keys. Sinks. Question. Fill in the blanks after experiment. Iron nail. Blank. In water but katori. Blank. Answer. Iron nail sank in water but katori floated. Question. Empty plastic bottle blank, bottle full of water blank. Answer. Empty plastic bottle floated, bottle full of water sank. Question. Aluminium foil blank when spread, blank when ball. Answer. Aluminium foil floated when spread, sank when ball. Question. In lemon experiment, did lemon float after adding salt? Answer. Yes, the lemon floated in salty water. Question. Why did the lemon float in salty water? Answer. Salt made water denser, increasing buoyancy. Question. Test salt, soil, chalk powder, milk, oil in water. Did it dissolve? Answer. Salt. Yes. Soil or chalk? No. Settles. Milk. Yes. Mixes. Oil. No. Floats. Question. Does clear salt water mean no salt? Answer. No. Salt is dissolved in water. Question. Difference between salt water and chalk water after time. Answer. Salt mixes fully, chalk settles at bottom. Question. Which can you separate by straining? Salt or chalk powder? Answer. Chalk powder can be separated by straining. Question. Did oil dissolve in water? Why? Answer. No. Oil floats on surface, does not dissolve. Question. Raise drops of water, oil, sugar syrup on slant board. Which went ahead? Answer. Water drop went ahead fastest due to less viscosity. Question. Where did boiling water go when left? Answer. Water evaporated into vapor. Question. Why keep mango jelly in sun? Answer. To evaporate water and dry the jelly. Question. How to dry wet handkerchief? Answer. Squeeze water, spread in sun or use hot iron. Question. What things dissolve in water to make tea? Answer. Sugar, milk dissolve, tea leaves partly dissolve, strain out. Now we will discuss some extra questions for better understanding and better knowledge along with better marks. Question. What is density? Answer. Mass per unit volume is called density. SI unit of density. Kilogram per cubic meter. CGS unit of density. G per cc. Question. What is buoyancy? Answer. When an object is partly or fully immersed in a fluid, an upthrust acts on the object. This upthrust is known as buoyancy. Question. What is buoyant force? Answer. The upthrust acting on an immersed object in a fluid is called buoyant force. Question. What is the value of buoyant force? Answer. The value of the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object immersed in the fluid. Question. Why does a nail sink into water whereas a ship floats on water? Answer. The nail is solid and the water displaced by the nail has much less weight than that of the nail. So the buoyant force acting on nail is less than its weight, and that is why the nail sinks into water. The ship is much heavier than the nail, but it has a hollow shape. So when the ship is put into water, a small part of its volume can displace the water having weight equal to its own weight. So the buoyant force acting on the ship easily nullifies the weight of the ship. That is why it floats on water. Question. What is Dead Sea? Answer. Dead Sea is a lake where the water is very salty and so the density of this water is very high. It is situated between Israel and Jordan. Due to the high density of water, the buoyant force here is very high and so a person can float on this water easily without knowing swimming. Question. Why does an egg sink into normal water but float on salty water? Answer. Salty water is denser than normal water. The buoyant force acting on an object in a fluid depends on the weight of the displaced fluid by that object. The weight of the displaced fluid increases with increasing density of that fluid. So the displaced salty water is heavier than normal water. That is why the buoyant force acting on the egg is larger in salty water than normal water. So the egg floats on salty water whereas it sinks in normal water. Question. Name two things which can be dissolved in water. Answer. Sugar and salt can be dissolved in water. Question. Name two things which cannot be dissolved in water. Answer. Sand and chalk dust cannot be dissolved in water. Question. How to increase the solubility of sugar in water? Answer. By increasing the temperature, we can increase the solubility of sugar in water. Question. What do you mean by solubility? Answer. Solubility is a measure of how much solute can be dissolved in a certain amount of solvent at a fixed temperature. Question. How can we dissolve sugar in water quickly? Answer. We can dissolve sugar in water quickly by A. Stirring with a spoon. B. Increasing the temperature of water. Question. Why does a drop of water move faster than a drop of oil along an inclined plane? Answer. Viscosity is one type of friction which resists the motion of liquid. Water has less viscosity than oil. That is why a drop of water moves faster than a drop of oil along an inclined plane. Question. How is salt made from seawater? Answer. Seawater contains salt dissolved in it. The seawater is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Then the water is allowed to evaporate in the sun. When the water dries, the salt remains on the ground and then it is collected. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel to get such videos for all the other chapters. Thank you for watching.